Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is a National Science Day and on this lovely day I'm going to show you simple easy experiments. So let's watch.
Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Kids Pebbles and Pebbles Education. On 20th Feb, we are going to celebrate Science Day. For that, I am going to show you many experiments. So let's watch. First experiment we are going to do with this material. You need turmeric, half lemon, water, empty bowl, 1 spoon. Take first empty bowl, add turmeric in that bowl. Then add little water and mix it well, and then see this water has turned yellow color. Now let's do one magic. And now after mixing this, see this is turn yellow color. Now let's do magic. I am going to add detergent powder. So let's see and observe what happens. See, can you see the magic? After adding detergent powder, this color had changed into red color. Observe it carefully. See, totally it has turned red. Now again let's do a magic by using this half lemon in this. Add lemon and then see the magic. Mix it well. We have to add little lemon again and see. Can you see? It has turned yellow again. So it reacts with the acid. So it turns into red and yellow. So do this experiment.